Boylston Street, Boston. We're done for the day. We here. We finished cement here. You can see it. We poured cement in the post there. This is a new railing. We made this corner there, all brand new. And we still have to come back to put a stick there. The same in this side too. You can see the pour cement there in the hole. I have to let it dry for a couple minutes, then we go home. It's about 2 foot thick. So funny cement there. That's not too bad. So we gotta come back here and go out these connections here. Today we just started. So we gotta get the permit. No, they ain't come back. March 25th, we are here in the shop. We're making a fence for Fenway, Boston. You can see we already made 2 pieces. There was ambulance truck hit the corner, so we had to make this fence around the building. You can see we left this about 2 feet long, goes to the ground, the cement, and the spaces are like 5 and a quarter space between those bars. So we still have to prime it and paint it black. So that's what we did today. Make those 2 pieces. Yeah. That's it. Boylston Street, Boston. This is A15 skip. Here. Boylston Street, Boston. So we here to we got this trash.